Managing shipments across multiple carrier systems and global destinations is inherently complex. Different rules, different formats, different priorities, and it all needs to work seamlessly across teams, geographies, and technologies. Today, we're going to walk through how CloudLeap offers a single unified solution to simplify it all. A truly integrated multi-carrier shipping automation platform designed to handle every shipment with ease, whether it's parcel, LTL, full truckload, international freight, or even 3PL shipments. This is shipping automation the way it should be. Meet Piyovi, spelled a bit uniquely, but pronounced just like POV, the letters POV, and they stand for point of view. It reflects our point of view on how a modern multi carrier shipping solution should truly work. Piyovi is a cloud-based global platform built from the ground up to simplify shipping, from packing to label generation to tracking, from small parcels to heavy freight shipments across all carriers and across the globe. It's a purpose-built application for businesses that need to ship from anywhere to everywhere while staying agile, automated, and fully integrated with the rest of the enterprise systems that you have in your IT landscape. POV sits at the center of your shipping universe, seamlessly connecting with over 20 leading enterprise systems, including SAP, Oracle, Infor, Microsoft Dynamics, IFS, Acumatica, Epicor, and many more. On the carrier side, we've already integrated with over 100 global carriers, giving you unmatched flexibility and reach. No matter what ERP or WMS or even another TMS you're using, even if it's a custom built legacy system, and no matter which carriers or 3PLs you work with, POV connects. And once we are connected, we automate it all: rate shopping, shipment execution, tracking, you name it. This is true plug and play shipping automation across your enterprise ecosystem. Let me walk you through some of the most key powerful features that make shipping smarter and more streamlined with our application. First, rate shopping. We give you the ability to compare shipping rates and delivery estimates across all available carriers and service levels. This means you always make the most cost effective and time sensitive shipping decisions. Next, our business rules engine. This is where real automation kicks in. The system can automatically choose the best ship method based on cost, delivery deadlines, customer preferences, geography, and even product value or weight. It also can decide things like which documents to print, how many copies, how to calculate freight markups, and how billing is handled, who pays for this freight cost, whether you're paying for it, your customer is paying for it, a third party is paying for it. All of these can be maintained in a configurable business rules framework, and these are specific to your business, and the decisions are going to be made based on that. Then we have spot quote. This is super useful when you're shipping outside your contracted rates. You can quickly get live quotes from carrier reps, no emails, no waiting, just fast, dynamic pricing when you need it most. We also provide address validation. This is often a game changer. It ensures the delivery address is accurate in real time and also classifies whether it's residential or commercial. This alone helps many of our customers avoid delays and prevent unnecessary surcharges and penalties, and in some cases, justifies the entire investment you make in a solution like ours. Then we have shipment execution. This is at the heart of our platform. We generate carrier compliant labels and documents and automate booking process with any integrated carrier, whether it's parcel, LTL, freight forwarder, domestic or international. You can even handle blind shipments or drop shipments, dangerous goods, cross-border consolidations. We support FedEx IPD, UPS Worldies, DHL Break Bulk. We also support paperless trade or electronic trade documents to reduce paperwork, get your shipments there faster, and save money on the freight cost. We also support cartonization and a really robust packing set of packing features. and a lot more. All of that is part of our shipment execution module, and pretty much anything your carrier supports, we're going to support it for you. And once your shipment is booked and it's out of the door, you get real-time tracking with our visibility module. We capture every milestone along the way, from pickup to transit, delivery, any exceptions in between. And when available, we also capture the signature proof of delivery. This way, you always know where your shipment is. And then once it's delivered, you get a bill. So on the accounting and finance side, we have invoice audit. So this feature pulls in your electronic carrier invoices, compares them against what should have been billed, and highlights the discrepancies that are beyond your configured tolerance levels. We can even auto-assign GL codes and send all of this data back to your ERP so it can generate an accounts payable document. So that way it's full end-to-end automation. And finally, for all of your US exports, we support direct EEI filing. With the ACE portal, you stay compliant with the export regulations and you can get your ITN number without having to enter all of that data manually in the ACE portal or pay the carriers a very costly per transaction fee. All these features are available through our REST APIs and webhooks, so you can do a complete black box integration. And imagine, for example, if you have a highly automated print and apply setup, or your packers use RF consent, they need to get the shipping labels when they pick a product itself. All these can be supported with our APIs and webhooks. We also provide robust and flexible operational reporting and dashboarding functionality to ensure that your leadership team can track all the KPIs. So the big question, why do leading enterprises choose CloudLeap, and why should you consider Piyovi, our multi-carrier shipping platform? So first, when it comes to data security and trust, we don't just talk the talk, we prove it. CloudLeap is SOC 2 Type 2 compliant, which means we've undergone rigorous third-party audits to verify that our systems, process, and controls meet the highest standards for your data security, system availability, and confidentiality. This compliance isn't just a checkbox for us. It's a reflection of our commitment to protecting your data, maintaining service reliability, and being a trusted partner for enterprise scale operations. So whether you're integrating with ERP systems, exchanging sensitive shipment data, or scaling globally, you can count on us to keep it secure. Next, we don't just offer 24/7 support, we're genuinely obsessed with it. At CloudLeap, customer success isn't a department, it's our culture. Whether it's a carrier API error or a simple, how do I do this type of question, we're there for you. We're there for your shippers. Our goal is simple. You should never feel alone, no matter the time zone, urgency, or complexity. That's why all of our customers are referenceable, and many of them say our support is what sets us apart. So let's talk one more time about the carrier integrations we provide. One of the things our customers love most about CloudLeap is the freedom and flexibility we provide when it comes to carriers. We never charge for any carrier integration, not now, not in the future. All carriers we've integrated are available to every customer. And if there is a carrier you use that's not yet in our network, we'll build that integration at no cost. You simply need to raise a request with our support team. There is no IT project, no PO required. You're free to bring your own direct relationships or ship through aggregators or 3PL partners, whatever works best for your business. And a different carrier offers better rates or services later, you're free to switch without any platform lock-in or hidden cost or additional integration costs. We believe in empowering your shipping strategy and not restricting it. Finally, pricing model. Our pricing model is intentionally designed to be super simple, transparent, and flexible with no surprises. We never charge based on the number of users or locations or carriers. You can scale on these parameters as much as you need without watching your costs multiply. Your subscription pricing is based on shipping volume, so it grows with your business. And when it comes to implementation, we charge a one-time fixed cost, always minimal and clearly defined upfront, no hidden fees, no fine print, just straightforward pricing that aligns with your success. So whether your customer service team needs a freight code right at order entry, or a customer wants to know where their order is and when it'll arrive, whether your leadership is tracking on-time delivery performance, or your shipper needs to choose the right carrier based on delivery promises or customer preferences, whether your accounting team is trying to get paid faster by accessing the proof of delivery for a shipment and sharing it with your customer, or if your finance wants to make sure you're not overpaying carriers and that your freight spend is in check. All these roles, all these questions, there's just one answer: POV. POV empowers everyone to get answers in the primary system they work in without having to call or ask anyone else within the organization. At CloudLeap, we believe you shouldn't have to choose between usability and enterprise grade functionality. We offer the best of both worlds: a scalable cloud native solution with an intuitive modern user experience, plus seamless integration with your existing ERP or WMS or TMS, whether that's SAP, Oracle, Infor, Microsoft, or any other system. It just fits right into your workflow without disrupting your systems or your teams. So that's us, CloudLeap, and we'd love to show you how CloudLeap can simplify and automate your shipping process tailored to your business and your enterprise systems. Reach out to us for a live demonstration by writing to us at hello@cloudleap.com. We would love to explore how we can help you ship smarter, faster, and with total control. Thank you for your time.